Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to add a clickable link in your TikTok bio. Before we start, make sure you have at least 1,000 followers to proceed. First, open TikTok. Once you're here, go to your profile page and click Edit Profile. Here, you will see Bio and Website. You can also put the link in bio, but it won't be clickable, so this is what you're gonna have to do. Click on Website and paste the link you want to share. Click Save and you're done. Simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.